Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Meghalaya State Paralympic Association kalayo aban pha yaki para athletes sha ka jingile kai kabalapalong Dhaka 6 Men's and 3rd Women's Indian Blind Football Federation Northeast Zonal Blind Football Championship 2000 apusan hanong ba Guwahati Assam. Kabalasdang nadu ka arpusan terik ubanay Jemmang. Bat kabalapan ha perdano mentakasngi ka arpu pratrik u Jemmang 2000 apusan. Haka ni kasngi penkut ka Meghalaya kayo banra ya ka nam Lahduh da ka bapenrem ya ka Arunachal Pradesh da pra Lashigul u Clinston di Marak ulayo banthep hadu khatkhandai gol hasilin ter kani ka limpong yelekai bat kumju ru ulayo ara ya ka nam kum urang yelekai bakan saitam.
Back. John, go. Full clear. Come. Goal! Yes! Go! Hello. Wait. Watch out.
Can you tell us your name, please?
My name is Kibuson Jimarok. I'm from Meghalaya.
Okay, so you're participating in this tournament today. So, did you win?
Yes, we haven't win. I'm very proud of this because we are the champion this Northeast Championship.
Okay, so is this the first time that you're participating in these kind of games, or have you participated in previous games also?
No, actually, even last year also we haven't participated in Northeast Championship.
Okay.
Even last year also we have a champion Northeast Championship in Mizoram.
Okay, and how do you feel about this tournament here in Guwahati that is being organized, and because you won, and also I've heard that you have scored 19 goals. So what are your feelings?
Yeah, I'm very happy because here between the tournament we can meet each other, and when different player we can talk with each other, and we can learn about this football, how they are playing and how people can play football. Then we can learn from other teams also.
Okay, and what is the message that you have for the other young players who are in the same category as you are in this para blind football tournament? So what are your message? What is the message that you would like to give to the aspiring athletes?
I would like to tell this young player. So if you are becoming a good player, please do exercise and practicing a lot and do nicely and discipline, and you have to practice every day. And after that you will be becoming good player.
Okay, so we wish you the very best in your future endeavors, and thank you so much, and congratulations once again to Team Meghalaya for winning this championship that is being organized in Guwahati. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Kerteng jong pi bat kumno pi po yele kai hagede ka Indian blind football tournament or championship entah.
Kerteng jong kadai John berlang pingrum ngadai na Shillong national sa apo business society.
Ini perlu jong pi pada?
Ini kerteng Toniwal Kongtai. Niru isa lang ngahi po business society.
Tekan usnem pilaya sedang menilai kai mentah.
Nga lekay kumba news na may ay ini par idang join mental usnem kadikan sin ka banikong iikan.
Te kat no teli ki tournament pila wan ni lekai. Haba khen kulum baro. Pila poi tang national ni, pila poi international ni, pi poi tang hapo kenika than chite lamingi jungi ke baki ong ke North East ni pila poi cuai tu.
Oh, ngala sementara berat lagi tournament North East bat ka national tournament. Mana kan kelum baro try nyauteling ngala sementara tournament repair.
Ti kai ke jing sungu jung pi ba pi wan ban ya sementara ku begini ke tournament.
Kacing so ngalang kacing kerku ma kumyangi khamtam bangin la ban kai bha ngila la ban kai bha mentak sengi bat ngila ilong kita ki nam Lahduh akan ke North East tournament.
Ti pila menyetu kendiat menu besi rap ip haba pi penkre ele de ban le ye le kai segini ki national ba segini ki North East bat ki wi pede ki jing ye le kai menu besi rap leni ai men sim ip.
Hai menshua mo mentak ai kublai ye iba ya isa basai ila mula nak senyang ingi la yarap ingi hadukan dia. Hai menshua te ingi dan singirap mengusia sia kelumlang poro kabayo sia kensolang dan i perlok jengir isnya dia jengi i baju kersan inga nak kapor jadi kibral te utapat ngai kublai kerpang ye isa basai ila lam nanti ingi hadukan dia klemat banta.
Ti khadlu mo te ke khubor ba phin ai pede ki perlok jung pi yo le se ki ba don ye ka sap hagani ke jingi le kai hente kim yo lat te ke khubor ba phin ai nam ta ke jung ki.
Oh naki mentak perlok ki ba dan saya tak kasab gadai hakana kono kasab ru kim dai ban pensap ai kai kidai ban wat ikilat kilenti ban ban poi syakatong ka bakimod bat dai ban du mensim dai ban sangap kiwei cingkan kiwei jadi ban persang ikai ki bakila bat ikai ki bakimla.
Ti khubli sibun ni ke por ke jung pi bat sa sisin ai khubli ye pi ket bok ket wang pi ba phin nang kiu seprang gi kam ba bha ke jung pi mo kam tam li ban kentiu gini ka jing le kai ke ba pi la pen la sedang men pen tebet ele di ti nak keleng ke jung ngim don ni ai ban ong i pi en te ngi siu ai tang jing kot kit bok ket wang ba phin don ke met ke phat bu koi bu khia ba phin nang kiu seprang gi kam jung pi bro ti sai sin ngi ai khubli ru ke tim Meghalaya ke ba la wan ka bala long ka tim ke bala Lahduh hagini ka championship ke bala long hagini ki sengi bala dep lai sengi menta hapok ka nong ba hogo hati te takini ki kentin kubli shibu ni pi baro but nang kiu siprang ki kam jupi kubli shibu
Kong ngamla kan mun pau ke jing songo yu blei ke baru rekat bangi haduk ni rapor kat no nak lang ke jongi Meghalaya State Paralympic Association mirap ke jing kemen ke bakrau bangi gini irang dan sai ke jongi kita poi satong but bun nangi yo best player best goalkeeper player of the match dengan tim Meghalaya sunal yang ke jonga hi komu presiden nakit bok yang ini ki bang elekai tinang nak susu nang elekai ke national level so kepasultan mengidang ki referee apa Meghalaya no nak pajikuan ke bakrau nakaliang ke jonga hi komu presiden manalang kan hunjungi ai bok yang sisin ini bang elekai bilang la an poi satong Haka yang kajing ile kai ke publish bu
keteng jonga ka insan ki te ngangani na po selong along no na ribhoy te hangne ni wan hangne bat ka tim ki badai ru ki bana po ribhoy rudan hi ki bana po varni ki badai ribhoy sudah nong no bat biye na po mau korwan te stunat ba adlis long menta ba nginang ya bun susu kira free sangne hati tu ki por yang kan mau ba anaduk ka senam arhajar kat pra marui teng sngo along no sngo thai mau ban travel marui dan bok ba men senam ba ki duna kira free sapo Mizoram de la invite no ngala khot no ikinge temen nginang ya bun bat kermen scam banang ni syakmat ngin yo ban travel susu bat kini ki para free ki ba ong no kumno bangin yo perlok lang kan ting mo ban ya travel lang te ban yo bentalang haki national air kum tu te tang kata hi
to ke ik jing sungo jupi ba pi wan ni le kai gini ka championship
ka jing sungo jonga te kum ta hi ngo sutanan namar ba la long no ka ne ka day ka best experience ka we na ka ba long suong no haka international ro ngala bunsin hi ngala long la laisen ngala yo ban ya sim benta mo te ngastanat tahi
te ke ibe de ka khubor ba phin ai se ki parlok ki ba yo le se ki ban pej ingi ni ko por
te ka khubor hi ka jonga kanu ka bapi le kanu ka bapi tre la da dei Haka sports la da dei kanu ka kamru akan men ba pintre shitom ba nangya kiuru haki liang baro
ta khubli shi bon kong ni por tampi.
My name is Chiku Armarat and I'm coach of Meghalaya blind football team. We have got a very good experience in this tournament and be proud of our team. We feel that upcoming tournament we will do our best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.